Hello everyone, welcome to all of in Rashika's world. Today we will do one of the most important concept of every competitive level as well as your academics, reasoning, maths reasoning. And first kind of reasoning is of maths which we will do today. Look at the box carefully. I will make the box again. This is your box, right? In this it is written 4, 5, 4, 6, 3, 3, 3. 15, 12 and x. Students like to solve these kind of magic squares a lot because more than a sums, they are a kind of game, a puzzle which will be very funny, very interesting also if you will do it. So, we have to find out any rule what is going on. If we consider 5, 4 and 6, we will find that there is no similarity between 5, 4 and 6. If we reverse also 6, 4 and 5, it is also not, in this also there is no any similarity. But if we will see here 5, 3 and 15, then we come to know that if we multiply 5 by 3, then we will get 15 here. Got my point? If we multiply 5 by 3, we will get 15 here. In the similar way, if we multiply by 4 by 3, we will get 12 here. So, if we multiply 6 by 3, then what the answer we will get? We will get the answer 18 and our x will be 18. These questions are not of course difficult. They are based on your IQ skills which you have to find out the rule of that, and once you find out the rule, these questions will become very easy and interesting, trust me, right? In the second case, you have to arrange the following in any ascending order. It means there is 5 words given to you and you have to arrange it in the ascending order. Man, boy, baby, old man and death. So, according to these 5 stages of life, the first stage is baby. When a child is born, then he is or she is regarded as a baby. So, first stage of it is baby. And after that, the baby is converted into a boy, then a man, then a old man, and after completing all the life cycle, a man will be dead. So the correct ascending order means smaller to bigger. The stages of life are baby, boy, man, old man and dead, right? In the third question, there is no any ascending order. You have to make a logical sense of the following 5 words. First is key, second is door, third is lock, fourth is room, fifth is switch on. This answer you can write according to your assumption, according to your, we can say that point of view. If we consider one point of view, then its answer will be, first of all, there will be a room. Inside the room there will be a door. Inside the house you can say there will be a door. On the door there will be a lock. For opening the lock you need a key, and once you open the lock by key, your room, your lights are switched on, right? You can also reverse it and say that first it will be door, second it will be lock, third key, fourth switch on and fifth room. You can rearrange these words according to your understanding, according to your possible outcomes. Answer will be correct in both the cases. The next is police, punishment, crime, judge and judgment. First of all, a man will offense a crime. For that, a police will catch him. He will take the criminal to the court where a judge is there who will give his judgment, and then he will give the adequate punishment for which the person is liable. So the correct order of this is crime, police, judge, judgment and punishment, right? Fifth is poverty, population, death, unemployment and disease. First of all, the series will start from population. First is population, then if more population will be there, then unemployment will increase. Second will be unemployment. If more unemployment will increase, more poverty will increase. If more poverty will increase, the person will sustain to diseases like malnutrition. And once the person will get different kind of diseases and he must not have the money to cure their diseases, then he will go into the situation of death. So the correct order of it is population, unemployment, poverty, disease and death. Got my point? Then the last topic for today is analogies. Analogies are very nice, very sweet kind of reasoning, which personally I like, and I hope all of you must also like it. First is Monday is to Sunday, then January is to what? See, Monday is the first day of the week, and Sunday is the last day of the week. Similarly, January is the first day of month, and what will be the last day of month? December will be the last day of month. So, as Monday is to Sunday, in the similar way, January is to December. Second is PDF is to document. What PDF stores in it? PDF stores the document in it. Then what JPG stores? Whenever you just click any photo or picture in your phone and you save it in your gallery, then always consider one thing: with each and every picture there is an extension is .jpg, which means the photo is stored in JPG format. So according to that, JPG is related with image or picture. Third, as computer is a machine, then pizza is what? Computer is a machine. Machine subhead, computer is included. In the similar way, in which subhead pizza is included? Pizza is included in the subhead of food. Food is to pizza, right? As a student is to study. The work of a student is to study. What is the work of teacher? Teacher's work is to teach. As the student is to study, teacher is to teach. Fifth and last is racket is to badminton. We use racket for playing the badminton. Then what we will use? Then bat ball is used to play which game? Bat ball is used to play cricket, right? So this was the reasoning, which is my favorite, and hope you all also understood it. See, unless and until you not understand the rule of reasoning, it will be very complicated and complex for you. But once when you understand the rules of doing it, it will find very interesting. Okay, so do it, solve it. Hope you like it. We will meet in our next session very soon. Till then, goodbye and stay tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel as well as press the bell icon in order to never miss any new update. Goodbye.